If Chrome is showing an error loading a page, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get the website working again without guessing. These methods are simple, safe, and perfect, whether the issue is caused by a bad cache, a browser extension, cookies, or even a DNS problem on your computer. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. First, let's start with a hard refresh. A hard refresh tells Chrome to ignore the stored version of the page and download a completely fresh copy from the server. On Windows, press Ctrl and F5 or hold Ctrl and click the reload icon. On Mac, you can try the equivalent refresh shortcut for your browser. If the page loads after that, the problem was likely just a stale cached version of the site. If not, the next step is to try the page in an incognito window. Incognito mode opens Chrome without your saved cookies, site data, or most extensions, which makes it one of the best ways to isolate the cause of the error. To do that, click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome, then select New Incognito Window. You can also use Ctrl, Shift, and N on Windows or Command, Shift, and N on Mac. Once the private window opens, type in the website address again and try loading the page. If it works here but not in a normal window, that usually means your cache, cookies, or an extension is causing the issue. Now let's clear browser cookies and cache. Over time, temporary files can get corrupted and prevent pages from loading properly, or they can cause endless loading loops. To clear them, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on Windows or Command, Shift, and Delete on Mac. In the time range dropdown, choose all time. Then, make sure you check cookies and other site data, as well as cached images and files. Once that is selected, click Delete Data, then restart Chrome and try the site again. If the page still won't load, the next thing to check is your extensions. Some extensions, especially ad blockers, script managers, VPN tools, or proxy switches, can interfere with normal web page loading. To disable them, click the three dots again, hover over extensions, and then click Manage Extensions. From there, turn off all your active extensions by switching them off one by one or disabling them all temporarily. After that, reload the broken web page. If the website works now, turn your extensions back on one at a time until you find the one causing the conflict. Finally, if Chrome is still giving you trouble, flush your system DNS cache. DNS is like the internet's address book, and if that stored information is old or corrupted, your computer may not be able to find the website correctly. On Windows, open the Start menu, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Then type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. Once it completes, try loading the page again in Chrome. In many cases, one of these steps will fix the problem immediately. Start with the hard refresh, then move to Incognito, clear the cache, check extensions, and flush DNS if needed. And if this video helped you fix Chrome's error loading page issue, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.